Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to take a full page screenshot on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have, if at least you have the 17 iOS or the newer, this is going to work the same. So let's open the browser right now, the Safari. And now, as you can see, here is the page. And let's say I don't want to get the only this section of the text, but I do want to take a full page screenshot. So let's take a normal screenshot right now. So, the power button and volume up. The screenshot has been taken. And now, as you can see, you have the option called full page screenshot. And now, as you can see, we do have the full page screenshot right now. So as you can see, it works like a normal screenshot. You can write here something, you can circle something, and by going down you can circle something else. So let's say I want to circle this text, and also I can circle another one and do with this full page screenshot whatever I wanna. I was able to do with the simple screen only screenshot. So after all, I can share it or just click done and then save to PDF or save to the photos. And as you can see, this is it, how you can take a full page screenshot on the iPhone. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!